our Zeiss AxiZoom V16 microscope. This is our custom inspection microscope. The main purpose of this is to give you more working distance for larger samples, as well as heavier samples to accommodate heavier samples and the working distance. My name is Ron Smersich. I'm the microscope sales specialist with MSI Viking. I cover Florida, and I built this custom inspection microscope.